Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Today is going to be just a brief video. We went to the chicken farm the other day and we got fresh chicken. So we have different parts in the pot here. So we're going to cook some light soup today. I have the liver, gizzard. It's like different parts of the chicken in here. I also have dried herrings, the one we normally use for shito. It's just a few pieces for flavor. I have my mixed spice, which is anise, ginger, onion right here. I have some pepper, Tabasco red pepper, some bay leaf on the side. Also, red onions that have been cut into pieces. I'm going to use that to steam the chicken. I also have a handful of spring onion, different spices here, garlic, oregano, parsley, and rosemary, fresh garlic, Himalayan pink salt, dried shrimp, also for flavoring, and then tomatoes and red bell pepper. If you have any questions, just put it in the description box. Everything here will be listed as well. And watch me cook my favorite light soup. All right, so we are going to get our stuff ready to blend. We'll be adding our Tabasco red pepper, the dried shrimp, dried herrings, garlic, and some onions. So we're going to blend everything together. All right, so our chicken is on the fire. And to that, I'm adding some of the red onions. Actually, everything. All right, so I'm adding some of my spice blend. Bay leaf, rosemary, and some parsley. Salt. I did not add any water to the chicken, okay? All right, so let's cover this up and let it do its own thing. We'll be back to check it. Okay, so let's check our chicken. Mmm. At this point, I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of tomato paste. And then cover it up. All right, so we're checking our chicken. It looks nice. So we're gonna pour in the blended tomatoes. We'll rinse the blender and add more water. All right, friends. So our soup is ready. And you are all invited. This is calling for some fufu. Oh.